close consultation with the challenge statement owners to refine your solution based on their requirements, and thus get your solution ready for adoption and commercialization. Furthermore, successful eligible innovators will enjoy co-funding support from Enterprise Singapore for prototype development, test beds, and pilot development. Successful innovators will also enjoy pitch coaching and refinement, specially tailored for your company's business and solution to prepare you for industry showcase events that we will be organizing, such as the Built Environment Demo Day. BEAMP is also a great platform to access a widened network of partnership opportunities and expand your company's exposure to local and international networks. I would like to take this opportunity, do a quick shout out to our ecosystem partners that have kindly agreed to support BEAMP. We are currently in our 4th cycle of the program. We have worked with over 50 industry firms to identify 93 unique challenge statements. We have awarded a total of 35 projects over the past 3 cycles. You can learn more about our past projects by visiting the stories page on our website, beamp.sg. My colleague will be helping to drop the link in the chat. For Cycle 4, we are excited to have these leading firms of the built environment sector to come on board as our challenge statement owners. Some of them are longtime supporters and also beneficiaries of the program. On the other hand, we also have new firms that contribute a diversity of challenge statements and thus new innovation opportunities. Today, we will be featuring the challenge statements under automation and robotics for construction and building inspection, maintenance, and facility management pillars. This is our final Q&A session, and the recording from today's session will be posted on our website, beamp.sg, within 2 to 3 working days. The recordings from our previous Q&A sessions have already been posted on our website and can be found under the resource section under each challenge statement page. These diagrams explain the process of making an application up until the award of projects. We are currently at the first step, which is our Q&A sessions. We encourage innovators to maximize these opportunities to ask questions to our challenge statement owners so that you have all the information needed to prepare your proposal. Proposals submitted by the 14th of October will be shared with our challenge statement owners for preliminary reviews. Selected submissions will enjoy priority to schedule consultations with our challenge statement owners. You could also benefit from the feedback provided by the representative of the BEAMP committee, which comprise of staff from BCA, JTC, Enterprise Singapore, and Partner & Co. Resubmissions of your proposal is allowed until 7th of November this year. 7 November would also be the application deadline for innovators that did not make an early submission. Depending on your relevance and overall strength of your proposal, selected innovators will be prioritized for the consultation sessions, where sessions could happen at any time between the early submission deadline and selection of an innovator by the challenge statement owners. Please note that there might be multiple sessions with the objective of ensuring clarity and alignment between the innovators and challenge statement owner, especially on the outcomes of the resulting project. The evaluation and shortlisting process will occur in the following manner. Your latest application for BEAMP Cycle 4 will be reviewed by the BEAMP committee and our challenge statement owners. The BEAMP committee will be checking your application details to ensure that you are eligible for the program and funding and conduct their own assessment of the proposal. The latest version of your proposal will also be channeled to our challenge statement owners. The final rounds of consultation sessions will be arranged, and once the challenge statement owner is confident of their selection, they would issue a letter of intent to their preferred innovator and their feedback on the innovator to the BEAMP committee. Innovators will then be shortlisted by the committee with consideration of the feedback from the challenge statement owners and the outcomes described in the letter of intent. Shortlisted innovators will be invited to present their proposal to the BEAMP committee and provide further clarification as needed. The decision to award ASD or MD projects will happen in January 2023 onwards. Awarded innovators will need to complete the grant application process in order to receive the requested funding support. Projects may commence once you receive notice from BEAMP committee regarding the award. Okay. There are two development tracks for the BEAMP program, which is our Accelerate Solution Development track and Market Development track. Let me explain both tracks a little more so that you understand which track to apply for. If your company has discovered the challenge statement and is in the early stages of developing a solution that could potentially address any of our challenge statements, you should apply for the Accelerate Solution Development track, or ASD for short. The scope of development for the ASD track should be planned to be completed within 3 to 6 months. Example of activities that could be carried out during ASD include user studies, tests to ensure usability of the solution, develop prototypes or run simulations to demonstrate technical feasibility and accuracy, align the solution blueprint and pilot implementation plan with stakeholders, or conduct cost-benefit analysis to ensure viability of the solution. BEAMP will help subsidize your development costs. Funding support for the ASD track is capped at 30,000 Singapore dollars or 70% of the qualifying costs. If your company has already developed a prototype or early product and you have identified there are further developments needed to ready your solution for adoption and commercialization, you should then apply for the Market Development track, MD for short. The scope of development for MD track should be planned to be completed within 12 months and should result in a complete solution that can be commercialized. For the MD track, you should seek to further develop your solution to sufficiently address the requirements from a group of demand drivers that can serve as your early adopters. Activities could include deployment and testing of your solution in sites with real operating conditions, integration with existing systems, and practical developments to make your solution enterprise ready. Funding support for the MD track is capped at 250,000 Singapore dollars or 70% of the qualifying costs. It is important to note that projects that successfully complete the ASD track are eligible to apply for the MD track to continue the solution development initiated during ASD. I hope that I managed to pique your interest to apply for BEAMP Cycle 4. After you learn more about the challenge statements, these are the steps to apply for the program. Step 1, visit beamp.sg and click the Apply Now button found at the top right corner. Download the proposal template and fill it out. Complete the online application form, upload your proposal and the requested documents such as your ACRA business profile, pitch deck, and CVs of the core development team. I believe my sharing has helped you gain clarity regarding the BEAMP process, but there might be some details that I have missed. I'll pause here for a few minutes to address any questions that you might have.